Imagine your rearview mirror transforming into an incredibly intelligent device. That with 1080p front camera and 9.66-inch big streaming media touchscreen that could show you crystal clear front and rear views and record highest quality videos to see more traffic information as well. A device that with 150-degree ultra-wide lens to cover the entire road ahead and capture all the critical details like license plates, signposts, etc. A device with AHD low exposure 1080p back camera and f1.8 6G glass plus 1 IR lens that greatly enhances night vision while you're reversing. That's also packed with the high-end image sensor which prevents video overexposure to give you a clear image of what's behind your car. Imagine a device with G-sensor, loop recording system, and 24 hours parking monitor to protect the built-in battery, so that the device will automatically turn on to record videos when detecting collision. And above all, imagine a device with all the mentioned features along with an exclusively external GPS system as well. Doesn't it seem incredibly unbelievable to have so many features combined into a single smart device? Introducing Rove M3 with 1080p front and rear camera, 9.66-inch big streaming media touchscreen, 140-degree ultra-wide lens reverse assistance, G-sensor, loop recording system, 24 hours parking monitor, and an exclusively external GPS system. Rove Dashcam, securing your drive to a safer future.
Introducing Acumen XR10 Plus Digital Rearview Mirror Dashcam. The dual-channel digital rearview mirror dashcam is engineered not only to document a truthful record in the case of an accident, but also to prevent accidents from happening. Powered by a high-performance image sensor, Acumen XR10 Plus captures everything that happens on the road with great detail. It is designed to enhance your driving experience by greatly reducing your blind spots while driving. The 10-inch digital display streams live footage from both cameras. With a simple swipe on the screen, you can easily toggle between the front view camera and rear view camera. Beyond the safety features, Acumen XR10 Plus also simplifies the way dashcams transfer data with Wi-Fi and app connectivity. The built-in Wi-Fi enables footage download within the vehicle. Instead of plugging in the SD card into your laptop, now you get access to your footage through Acumen's app, whenever and wherever you want. And with the rear camera installed on the license plate, you can see the traffic behind you clearly through the eye of the rear camera. This allows you to quickly review how the accident happened, freeing you from unnecessary situations. It also helps you capture wonderful moments you come across on the road, and enables you to share it with your friends and family immediately. Acumen, capturing your safety.